In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a letterhead using Canva. Whether you're crafting a personal letter, a professional document, or just want to spruce up your correspondence, a letterhead is a great way to add a polished touch. Let's jump right into it. First, we'll start by heading over to your Canva homepage. Open up your browser and type in canva.com to get started. If you haven't already, you might want to log in or create an account for a smoother experience. Being logged in allows you to save your designs for future reference or further editing. Once you're on the Canva homepage, you'll see a big, bold button labeled Create, usually located on the top right-hand corner of the screen. Clicking this will open up a search bar. Now type in Letterhead and hit Enter. You'll notice an array of pre-made templates appear. These are all professionally designed options, so whether you're looking for something minimalistic, colorful, or traditionally professional, you're sure to find something that catches your eye. After you've selected a template, this will take you into the design interface. Here, you have multiple choices. You can use the template as is, making minor adjustments, or start from scratch, letting your creativity flow. If you're short on time, simply modifying a few elements like the text or colors in an existing design could be the easiest way to achieve a personalized look. On the left side of your design interface, you'll notice several tool options. You can change fonts, colors, and even add elements or images. If you're aiming for a branded letterhead, consider uploading your logo or brand imagery to ensure consistent brand representation. Don't forget to play around with font sizes and styles to make sure your company's name and contact information stand out. Once you're satisfied with the design, take a moment to preview your work. Make sure every detail aligns with your vision. Check the alignment, make sure the text is readable, and ensure that the overall aesthetic meets your expectations. Adjustments can be made easily by clicking on the elements and utilizing the drag and drop functionality. When you're ready to bring your letterhead to life, simply navigate to the download option, typically found in the top right corner of the screen. Canva allows you to download your design in multiple formats such as PDF, PNG, or JPG, depending on your needs. For most professional letterheads, a PDF format keeps everything looking sharp and polished. And there you have it. Your letterhead is ready to make any document stand out. Whether for business use or personal flair, you now have the skills to create an eye-catching letterhead design using Canva. Thanks for sticking with me through this tutorial. I hope you feel empowered to create versatile and professional letterhead designs swiftly and efficiently.